How to delete Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete Spotify account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Spotify account, it's actually quite simple, because all you have to do is you won't be able to delete the Spotify account using the Spotify app. Now this sometimes is a really sketchy move, because if you want to subscribe you can do from app, if you want to delete you cannot do it from the app. They just make it a bit harder and make life harder for you guys. But don't worry, I have made it very simple for you guys to understand. So first, just open up your browser and just go to spotify.com and log into the account that you want to delete. Once you do that, you will see somewhat this type of interface where you need to tap the gear icon from the top right, and then from here just look for the option called support. Once you go to the support tab, you will see this type of interface again, where in the search tab you can simply type in something similar to closing your account. So type in closing and you'll find the search result in the suggestion tab that says closing your account and deleting your data. So tap on the search result. Now there are two types of account deletion process. One is if you have got premium, the other is if you don't have premium. So if you have got premium, you can tap on close your account and delete your data on this link. If you don't have premium like me, you can directly tap on close your account and delete your data on the second link. So all you have to do is just tap on this and then make sure to simply select a reason, enter your password as to why you want to close your account, tap on close the account, and your Spotify account will get successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete Spotify account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.